What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. In this video, I will talk about Postwise. Postwise is an AI tool that generates unique and attractive tweets on Twitter. Do you know you can increase your followers using Postwise? Let me show you. So on Postwise, you have so many options here. You have the AI writer, you have my content. This would show the history of your searches, starting from the ones you've added as your favorites, down to the draft, the one you have as draft you've not sent out, down to the ones you've posted already, which are these that I've posted, down to the ones you've scheduled, and which is this one. So now this is the queue section that would probably show you your queues, what you've scheduled that will be sent at a specific time. Then this is the inspiration. That this is a very, very awesome feature. This will give you inspiration from what other people have tweeted. Let's say you're a marketer, you click on the marketing section and you get ideas of what to write about, to increase your followers, to increase engagement on your Twitter profile, and also probably to help your Twitter followers. So if you are more on the entrepreneurship section, thoughts, opinion, crypto investing, wisdom, you have coding, you have relationships, fitness, nutrition, self-improvement, family, and work. So this is very awesome. Now you have the ghostwriter, but this, I guess, they are still working on this. It's a coming soon feature. You have the refer and earn. In this section, you earn money, and you also earn credits. So you have the settings where you make changes, and you have the help section, the updates, and the upgrades. So now let's click on the AI writer. Now, before I go further, let me open my Twitter. Okay, I'll go over to my profile. All right, so this is what we have here when you feel like giving up. Okay, so now let us write, because I talk more about technical writing, community management, developer advocate, and software engineer, DevOps, and cloud. And now let me pick one idea. Okay, let me say let me pick technical writing tools. So I type on technical writing tools and I search. So you see it's giving me awesome ideas. Writing is 70%, research 20%, feedback 10%, execution. So focus on the process of developing your craft, not the tools you use for it. And this is stop wrestling with word files when writing technical documentation. Opt instead for tools like README and Async Docs, which are designed for authoring documentation, not reports. So for writing, the tools you need are, have a list of it. And the only technical writing tools you need is solid this. There are 3 technical writing tools for writing: pen, paper, WordPress, this and this. Technical writers can make life easier for readers by using simple tools such as this. Now, this is very, very awesome. Now, one thing I would like you to notice, they have 2 options here. This is for the single, which is write an amazing tweet for single, and this is for the trend. So if you want to have long trends, you can use this. Okay, so let's pick one of them and send. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, then you can schedule, or you can post right now, or you can make changes to this. So now let's post now. Okay, so we'll go back to the trend and we write technical writing tools. So you can click on any one. Now looking at this, because it's the trend, you can add an image or you can also add a new tweet. So this is the trend. So you write and you want to go over to the next section, you go and write, and when you're done, you click and you post now, which is awesome. So if we go over to my Twitter handle, so let's refresh. So you see it here. Twitter can make tech writers can make life easier for readers by using simple tools such as, this is super awesome. Thanks guys for watching this video. Thank you.